Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to delete your email account from the cPanel. It's very easy. You don't have to break your head. So let's get right into it. Just log into your cPanel. So this is our cPanel. I'll quickly log in. And in the cPanel in the tools, you have this section called emails. Just select email accounts. Okay. And you can see I have an email, admin@tipswithalam.com, the website that I'm not using. I'm just using this website for the demonstration. Click on Manage button. And in the Manage, you have an option to delete your email. So you can click on Delete Email, then click on Delete again. And that's it. Your email is now trashed. It's deleted. And you will have, by default, will have a email from cPanel, which will directly come to your admin email if you have connected a Gmail or a Yahoo, any other email that you have connected. So that's how you do it from your dedicated cPanel you have for your website. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.